YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? I am here with a TM Tuesday morning haul, and some from the end of last week and some from this week. And I forgot to show this. I got this. No, actually, I got this week. It says, I'm pretty sure that with sparkly shoes and a new tiara that she could conquer the world. I think I may have this because I think I got this from not TM, but HL when they had the clearance sale. But then I can't remember if I put it back. 2021696. But I thought it was a cute stamp. If I have it, that would go with my next giveaway, my 3,000 subby giveaway, if it's a duplicate. Anyway, Flourish is what they had this week. They had the Flourish, they had Bloom, they had Carousel. Now, I actually tried to go in the store and do it in the store video. I decided not to post it because I had too much movement in it, but they had a ton of paper. And one of the things I was tripping off because one of my stores, they had a lot of Maggie Holmes paper. They had Shine, they had Confetti and Bloom, and it was in the clearance section with 20% off with an additional 25% off. So just FYI, I don't know if every store, but mine had those in there, and one of them, not all of them, but one of the 4 stores that I went to had them in the clearance. So always check your clearance, just because you don't know, especially with paper pads. And if you know anything about Tuesday morning, stuff will come in, and then the same stuff may come in another shipment 6 months later or even a year later. So sometimes you might not get it in your area, and then the next year the same dies will come back out again, or Boston photos will come back out again, or whatever, paper pads. So that happens because they buy things in bulk and things that didn't sell when they buy them. So that's why the inventory comes that way. So always check in your clearance aisle, because sometimes the clearance aisle will have the same exact stuff that's sitting up front. I've seen that happen too many times. So save $1 if you can. Anyway, so this is mainly a paper haul. So let me show you the chipboard first, which I was so happy to find. And that was because I was able to go through a cart. She had just brought the cart out, and she was, nobody was there. And she's like, go ahead out, go through it. Because I'm going to put it on the shelf, but I'll give you first dibs since nobody was on the aisle. And I was going through it, and I tried to videotape it, but I'm terrible at videotaping it, holding it one hand. Oh my goodness. But anyway, this is the Carousel 2026709. I almost missed these because these were under the paper. Got a lot of paper, and I was trying to be good. Oh, it was so hard. I'm going to show this one next. This is the Richard Garay Origami Love, and in my other video from Tuesday morning, I have his collection of his origami stamp and die sets. So this is the paper to go with it, and it was very reasonable price. It is, of course, it's 12 by 12. It's 6 designs for each, so that's 24 sheets, and it was only $2.99. And it's called Origami Love Printed, 1985746. So for $3, you're getting 24 sheets, and you're getting the origami stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool to match the dies. Now let's get into some well, go back to Flourish. Did I read the number? I don't know if I did, but this is the 6x6 Flourish pad, which I'm sure you guys have all seen it because everybody's into Maggie Holmes. Maggie Holmes. But anyway, I actually like this one better because I like the colors a little deeper than the other pads, but this one I like probably the best. I was really hoping they had it in the 12 by 12 because I love that one. But anyway, so this is 1980699, and that is for the 6x6 36 sheet, $2.99 Flourish Maggie Holmes. So I did get 2 of these 8x8 vintage Hollywood. I was praying to find the 12 by 12, but I didn't, so I ended up getting 2 of these, and they're $3.99, and it's 2020853, and you've probably already seen this, and you know how graphic 45 is. It's graphic, and I have the stamp sets to go with it, so you can kind of see the colors and the busyness of their paper. I know when I first got into paper crafting, I used to do other type of crafting, but when I got into this, I was like, wow, this paper is really busy. And then I had to see several things in it before I could appreciate it. but you can still work it. Then I got Off to the Races, $3.99. 2020841. And they also have this one 6x6, and they also have this one in the 12x12. At least that's what I saw in some of my stores. And then this is the 12x12 Off to the Races. Like I said, they have the 12x12 with the same exact paper as this, with these images on it. And then I got this 12x12, which is the more of the basic ones. And they have this one in the 6x6 as well. I didn't see this in the 8x8. 2020844. So these are more the solids. But of course, their paper is always both sides. And they don't use the traditional scrapbook colors. That's one thing I do like about them too. It's kind of neat. So they also have the chipboard. They also have the stickers. And I'll show you the ephemera pack too. So with the stickers, they were 99¢. And I think the chipboard, I think was $1.49 or $4.99, something like that. So this is Off to the Races. Some of the sticker sets, you got your alphas, and you got a couple of little words. So one is just missing. It wasn't missing at first, so I just must have lost that one. And it's 99, and it is 2020849. Probably on the back of one of these pads. And then this one is the Hollywood one. And it's 99 2020859. So let's see. Yeah, this was 49 and it's 59. So they have different numbers to the stickers. Trying to see, did it stick to something? Alright, so that was my graphic 45. Now they also had quite a few more graphic 45. These are the ephemera packs. So this is the Vintage Hollywood collection, which goes with this one right here. And this is $1.49, 2020860. So if you check those out, those are the images that go along with that. And then this one is Off to the Races, 2020850. And again, it's $1.49. And those are the images there. Now they had the tea set one. I'm still debating on getting it. That was so pretty, but I was like, oh my God, I got so much paper. I did get the saucy one though. That was cute too. And this one is $5.99, 2013919. They get you with the cuteness, man. It's just not fair. This is authentic, but I thought this would make such a good recipe album. I made this beautiful one, man, for my co-worker when she retired. Oh, it was so neat. But anyway, I'm gonna flip through this one real quick just in case you haven't seen it. Look at that. And these are double-sided. I don't know which way is the best way, but you can see those recipes, cards. So it's like 3 pages of the same. I really need to should have got the second pad because, yeah, I think I'm going to go back and get the second pad, cut these recipe cards out, and then have enough of the paper to make an album. So you get like 2, so yeah, 2 of each one. So you get quite a few, I think 3 sets of those cut aparts to make the recipe cards with. Let's see, here's another one. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have like 15 recipe cards. So I may go back and get another one. I hate to spend $5.99. I was trying to see if they had the sticker set, the other paper pad to go along with it. But they do have enough cut aparts in here too, and enough that I can fussy cut out. But yeah. But anyway, so that's my paper haul from TM. So check your local Tuesday morning. They had quite a few stores had 45, so you should definitely be able to find some of that. I mean, every store went in had some, and every store went in had some Maggie Holmes. It wasn't one that didn't have it. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. I only went to 4 of my 7. We used to have 8, and only got 7 now, but all 4 of them had like plenty. It wasn't like 1 or 2. They had 6 and 7, and you know, with each one, so it was quite a few. But the only 2, well, they had one other one, the purple one. So I had those 3 main ones out. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.